Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see, based on the positive news for the United States dollar and then growing perspective of the possible rate hiking in June since the Fed minutes that has been released yesterday, tells that gives more hints on the possible rate hiking. So that was with the just has led to the rising of the enthusiasm among the investors and the traders. It has followed some statements from the Fed representatives about the possible rate hiking, and some sort of the euphoria right now stands on the markets. So that being said, the United States dollar has got the support, and that has led to the drop on the assets in relation to the United States dollar across the board. So the crude oil has pushed down from the 50 level. Gold market also has passed through the 1260, has broken now a confidence support in the forward time frame chart. That's why currently we are continuing to monitor the further targets that we have in the gold market. Although, guys, market still has chances to turn up, but this scenario will become a bit more sophisticated for analysis and catching the right moment where this reversal could happen, especially taking into consideration the not supportive for the bullish perspective of the CFTC data. So that's why until market stands above the 1210 area, above these lows, market keeps the chances on the possible upward action, and till the June meeting, it's really a lot of time. It's also the Brexit, and as we said yesterday, the situation will become hotter and hotter while we will be closer to these two events in the June. That's why market probably will show the increasing of the volatility very soon. So although the drop down is continued, but this is not yet the total reversal that we are talking about. I mean, this is deep retracement on the monthly chart. This is not yet. This is just moving to the next target. This next, not quite target, but to the next support level. So market wasn't able to hold above the 12.6. Now it's moving to the next level. Butterfly is losing its shape, since retracement down is acceptable for the butterfly, even to the 618 support. But as deeper retracement happens, as less chances remains for continuation to the 1330 area. So it means that only some unexpected news or some event could trigger the upward continuation. Still, guys, here we could recognize some kind of the Cartel's 222 buy shape, something of that sort. In general, this reminds just long-term sideways consolidation. When the market moves with this pace to the upside, now it becomes a bit slower, but still this is upward action. And the market definitely is preparing for some trigger on some deeper retracement probably. That's in the medium-term perspective. In the short-term perspective, we are now watching for the next destination point that gold will show us. This will be 1240, 1245 area, the 618 support. Also, this will be the daily oversold, as you can see. And now we are watching for this ABCD retracement down. This also creates the agreement 1245 area. So this will be the next level where we could watch for possible upward reversal to the 1330 area. We will stop to watch for this reversal to the upside if market will drop significantly and will reach this area around 12 even, or maybe that's what tells us probably real retracement down has started. But until market holds somewhere in this area, it keeps chance on the possible upward action still. Yes, we would like to get this upward continuation from the 1260, but we haven't got it. So this makes overall situation a bit blur, but and unclear. But it doesn't cancel totally the chances on the upward continuation. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we have two patterns. First is the daily ABCD pattern. Second one is our first ABCD that we have discussed. Recall that we said that since market has shown drop down very significant, very fast, usually it takes the continuation down to the 1618 target. But since this was the really strong support, this confidence supports and weekly monthly pivot point, we said, well, it's not yet clear which side will take the lead. Either the ABCD will break this level, or level will support market and will able to reverse it to the upside. As you can see, yesterday this level has been broken, so market has passed through the monthly pivot point. This is bearish sign, and also it has broken through the confidence support. This is really strong action, although maybe you could say, well, it's not really big breakout, so this market stands very close. But guys, you should understand what real purchases and what real positions have been placed here. For this was really supported for the goals. So 1, 2, 3, touched 4, minor bounce and breakout. So this was really very strong area. In breakout of this area, it's very bearish. It means that the market stands on the road to the next destination. Besides, guys, take a look how fast this breakout has happened. It's really fast breakout was a very fast action. That led us think that probably market should reach 1618 extension of this butterfly. This will be simultaneously the 1618 target of this minor A, B, C top initial ABCD patterns was 100%. This will be 1618. And take a look, that coincides with this larger ABCD pattern. So that was next support cluster around 1240 area. So we'll be watching for. If this indeed will become some guard this 222 buy, this market will have the chance to turn to the upside. If we will get some this choppy action here as well, it means the market will continue to move lower. Today, right now, in the nearest hours, guys, as you can see, market has completed our yesterday minor butterfly, and it stands right now at minor support, so 127 target and weekly pivot support one. But you should understand, guys, that the overall situation is bearish. So market has broken for the monthly pivot point, and take a look here. Market wasn't able to pass through the weekly pivot resistance one. We already have talked about it. We said that this market wasn't able to break it. It means that this is just retracement up. This is not the reversal that we're talked about. This is just retracement with a bearish trend, and this really has been confirmed. So market dropped significantly, and take a look at this drop. It's very fast. It means that hardly this butterfly will stop market at 127. The maximum that we could expect here is just minor bounce as a respect of the weekly pivot support one and 127 target. After the few hours when this retracement will take place, market probably will continue to move lower. So it tells us that the next major level that we will be watching for stands around 1240 and around the major 1245 fib support. So this will be some kind of an agreement, daily oversold. So that will be a very nice level, supportive level for gold market.